Hello, I'm Marcus Weeks from PPG, and today we're in Westlake checking out our double project we just completed right behind me. Come and check it out. Out the front of this property, you'll notice we've used a two-tier sandstone rock retaining wall with a nice feature garden bed in between to break up the rock and to really create a softening effect. They've opted also for a nice diamond cut sandstone staircase to create better access to the front door. One of the features of this property is the Daintree aluminium fencing we've used, broken up with a nice Merbau post to fence off this front yard and make it a safe space for the kids. Up the top here, we've turfed using this beautiful Tiff-Tuff grass, which is drought tolerant and shade tolerant. It flows all the way through into the backyard now. We've also tiled the portico area to give a modern touch to finish off the entrance of this property. Not only have we created a safe, flat space for the kids to enjoy up on the top level, we've also created some pretty high-end street appeal with this beautiful sandstone rock. At this property, these guys have opted for a two-tier sandstone retaining wall as well, but with a full aluminium fence to reduce the ongoing maintenance. These guys have decided not to put in a sandstone staircase like what we did next door to maximise their space up on the top pad. And as you can see, this space is being used by the family trampoline. As we work our way through the gate, we've got this huge flat grassed area to use as the yard. You can notice the advanced frangipani, we actually transplanted that out of the original yard that was here before. As a little extra at this property, these guys got us to pave this area. This is going to create a nice seating space for the parents while the kids play on the front lawn. One thing you'll notice about both these properties is the aluminium fencing allows you to see the front of the properties so they keep their street presence. It provides a safe place for the kids to play, but it also includes them in the community when the kids are playing out in the front yard. If you're interested in something just like this, or even something completely different, click the link below and fill out our quote request form and we'll happily help you.